Hi, I'm Dr. Jon Evans with ProTailored Physical Therapy here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I'm going to teach you the best way to fix your tight hamstrings. This is one of my favorite stretches to loosen up the sciatic nerve and loosen up your hamstrings. What you're going to do is you're going to bring up your affected leg. You're going to keep a small bend in it while your other leg is down on the floor and bend back as far as you can. You're going to reach across with your opposite arm on the outside of your foot. Now I'm pulling back on my foot and I'm pushing down through my thigh with my other hand. I push and hold, trying to straighten out my leg. I hold it for 5 seconds and then I relax. And then I hold it for 5 seconds and I relax. I do that a total of 30 times. This does wonders for loosening up the sciatic nerve and the hamstrings. Another great way to loosen up the muscles on the back side of your hip is to do something called a triplanar hamstring stretch. This was taught to me by Dr. Bonnie Clark down in Danville, Indiana. Throw your foot up in the wedge of a chair. Make sure once again that your heel's wedged all the way in the back. The first part of the exercise is you're just leaning forward, doing small controlled bobs towards your toe with both your hands. Do that 30 times, then you relax, you bring your arms across your chest, and then you're rotating as far as you can to the right and to the left. The third part of the exercise is you actually bring your hands up over your head and then you're gonna rotate side to side. You do each of those a total of 30 times and then you stand up, walk around and see how you feel. This is a more advanced exercise, but it works really well at decreasing tension in your hamstrings and in your sciatic nerves. Simply looks like this. You're going to be standing up, leaning over towards your toes. You're going to keep your knees locked and your heels down as you walk your hands out. As you're walking out, try to keep those knees straight, those heels down, and then you're coming just right back up, doing the same thing. You do that a total of 10 times, and then stand up and see how you feel. All right, guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.